Our culture are the same. I've written a book, The Cost and the Price for Working with Museveni. And I have a quarrel with my high command, my family. They say, don't release it, because it will be embarrassing.
The president.
The president. Does it help you?
By the way, that's a very good question. Does it help you?
Because I wouldn't be talking now. But 3 people, and all of them, bava mu family ya Museveni. Bali bagenda okunzita. Nakubira sisa wa president Mariam. Ne mugamba nti gundi ne gundi ba plani z'okunzita. She moved very quickly with the general gwesobola kuwogera. They deployed at home. The killers are already arrived. Nalimba lava emutungu kamutekera kalancho bali bamuwadde yasaba olw'obutanzita yasaba miliyoni 600 olw'obutakola mulimu nakyo be basaba 3 billion kuba tebamutta naye namuyamba. When they don't do the job, you pay half
of the money.
Okay. Amukalancho yateera ng'essimu zonna nziyina meeting zonna nali nzigoberera. Yes, the advance team has already arrived. Nabayitako ne mbakubira n'ejjambo nga bamanyi. The president ne mbalaba nga boogera bagenda wa president ne boogera naye n'abagamba, if you harm that man, I will dig deep and uproot you. Yes. Recently program zange bali bazijeeko. Waliwo kino ekikande kirina amanyindo akalinga ennyuma z'abalongo. Kirina amanyindo manene bakiragira Mmengo. Somebody asked them, who has removed, who told you? Kana akawala akimpali akayosese. Wadduka emisinde n'ekyo ekiganda. Ate nnazo zigendako. I switched off. Siddayo. Njokola ejjoogo lyakubola kana akayina empali. Nakino ekiganda. Kiganda kyennyini kakati mbabulira ne mbagamba, me I've helped you. Why? I tell you what you don't want to hear. But eventually I started I started the propaganda in one of the best institutions munsi. When I was young, I was smuggled here.
Okay.
Ninsoma propaganda, ninsoma logic, manyi mass communication. Kati nze omuntu agenda okukola ekintu mba mulaba. Nti look, initially it started as a Bujingo degree. Yes. Today, many other pastors got a degree. An idiot in the midst of education, bamuwa descent. I can even play the conversation. As a same degree.
Why Bujingo?
Nti kubanga basiru. These are idiots and I abuse him. A malicious person and a thief must be highly intelligent.
Yes.
He's an idiot.
Not leave marks.
Yes. A thief must be able to cover his footmarks.
Yes.
A malicious person, I know kukola an image efanana oyo. How did this battle over Bujingo start? One of them, Museveni was watching TV. Naraba Bujingo. Bujingo has a unique way of mixing politics and the religion.
Okay.
Nabaga call me that younger pastor. Yes.
Okay.
The mistake Bujingo did, bwe yagenda mu State House, teyasaba ssente. Museveni yamubuuza oyagala ki? N'amugamba nze njagala okyalira ekya Nakalema ne munno omulala ono gwe mumanyi ono muyizi tasobwa. Bo buli agendayo bamulyamu enjawulo. Yamugamba I want you to visit my church. Nothing else. Museveni visited Bujingo. Bamukozesa emirimu gyonna ekiro bannakalema agijjukira saawa 4. I promised to visit the church of this younger person. Nakalema naleeta entweyi nga Museveni atudde mu ntebe. You have 30 minutes only. Kuba teyabawadde. Museveni naleeta n'entebe n'atuula ewa Bujingo. It is sent shockwave. Kubana bagad abadde bali sente mu State House. The conduits of the corrupt. This kati Bujingo afuuka chief celebrant ku mazaalibwa ga bagad waliwo akafuuda embi akatakana kulabira nnyina waako waliwo n'omulala god banga balaba nti a new entrant. Kakati since then Bujingo ne batandika omukuba nti wa muhoozi. Kakati bano abaabukedde because of their stupidity babadde bagamba nti diguli ya Bujingo yakikwangala. Let us assume if the degree is ekikwangala diguli agipresentinzeewo, how does it enable him to achieve? Because you would say that it is a requirement to join the Pastors Association. Tikiriyo. Yes, babadde badeployize n'abantu bagire balemese graduation. What? An idiot in education. Because if you are not an idiot in education, are you telling me that this Kaiwa degree, the university, is 100 miles away from the city?
No.
If you cannot monitor Kaiwa's university, two, the idiot in the Ministry of Education is not talking about the quality of education. He's talking about licensing. Am I married in the church? Is my mother married in the church? Didn't she produce highly intelligent people?
She did.
That is an idiot who was paid the money. I can play the tape. You money were paid the money to write that letter. Challenge me, I play the tape and the voices. Kakati okitegedde ekyo. Kakati bwe mbakubye ne badduka. Then they come out nti si yekka. N'abalala. Kakati this idiot in the Ministry of Education would come and say, abazungu bwe bajja wano, they made sure that the local kirage busamize babusaanyaawo. When the bazungu came here, they knew the powerfulness of the media. The bazungu did not create a media institution. No. This is why the people who are annexed to class with the colonialists bayingira journalism. Amawulire tegali gabayigirize. Because baali bamaze okuva ewaabwe nti ebbaluwa Daily Telegraph yali very powerful at that time. Mutesa bagiteekemu ebbaluwa y'abazungu bakole ki? So they made sure the kirage, except their own, Africanization, okujjamu abamisani, nga Brown ali Namirembe, Kabana ali Lubaga. The last muzungu to be in Uganda were two. One in Kabale after they fought in the Catholic Church, another one Williams Rusoga. Kubanga nakuga nti abasoga basoma Bible tebagira nti ebibiri mu bitoolemu obwenzi n'obubbi mu bitoolemu. Bible ebusoga efuyirwa ku mateeka 8. Bagamba baminsani obubbi mu butoolemu n'obwenzi mu butoolemu. Omusoko omukwatira ku mukazi eddiini ya gwe talaba nti n'abaana ba Cyprian bamwoze bayingira obusiraamu. Yes. 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 Kakati era the last Catholic muzungu bishop Willigers abadde ejjinja. Omuzungu omulala bamuleeta e Kabaale. Kakati olw'okuba abazungu bajja kusanyawo ddiini yaffe n'abamawulire nga babatya, they did not create. This idiot in the Ministry of Education is not realizing nti we have pastors, the Juwakali pastors, but religion is persuading. What this idiot in the Ministry of Education doesn't know, the one who issued that letter, by the time Jesus came, the Bafarisayo had a university. There was a university before Jesus' time. Saint Paul was the senior lecturer in that university. Paul mutuukirivu yali senior lecturer. Era Abafarisayo olw'okuba bali informed be bawandika Bible. You don't understand this. Nti the Bafarisayo were always challenging Jesus, be bavangamu Jesus verdict. Because they were informed more than who? More than the ordinary people. Why did Jesus, the only disciple of Jesus, tebasoma God, chi. You don't read because a Bible is a Quran. These holy documents. Bazitusomesanga tezikwatibwako. Kakati the only disciple mu disciple ba Jesus yali Luka omuyigirize. Luka was a medical doctor. Yes, from the University of Bafarisayo. Luka told Jesus, and the president quoted him, nti Luka yagamba Jesus abo abagenge tobalinaana abajja bikukwasa. And Jesus obliged why? Luka was a medical doctor. God. Now wasomera ku kifunvu. Nalaba abasajja abo ku byuma byange. Omusajja agamba, this man should be arrested with his malaya, taken to Kitalia, and his church closed. Kakati God. Uli musajja ki? The man oba yasoma oba teyasoma has served these people to Jesus.
Yes.
Museveni kyabagamba nti abantu mbaleese Bujingo abajjiddeyo abaali badde abasangize abaali badde mu ddiini yange abajjeeyo n'abaleeta ku Yesu kati ate oggala otya baddeyo and you say God. Two, what has Bujingo done that you people you have not done? Bujingo is accused of a divorce. Bishop Kiganda divorced his wife, a close relative of mine. Nga yeyambisa kulimira mu bukedde kyovula okajja gwanyu n'abaana baako balikolimirwa nga baana ba musota. Ne kagamba akakasajja ka bukedde nti Kiganda yakutte omukazi we n'omusisi wa chapati omugeso. If it happened, Kiganda omukazi oyo yamuyinamu abaana aba. Did he subject any of the children to DNA? No. Kulubya ani ne Sebowale oluwenda lwalimu. Ne Sebowale naye ajja kulimirwa nga kabusenga nekkulu. Ye n'afuna divorce. If Bill Gates can divorce, Bill Gates yadivorcinga ne mukazi we. Ne bamugamba nti bw'odivorcinga ne mugabana obugagga bwo ojja kuba wa musanvu. He agreed. Yali awunya ekivundo kye. If it was imposed on Bill Gates, teyali muse. I tell my daughters, the moment you detect the changes in your husband, come back. Yes.
Okay.
Kati mbu bakyala babasumba batyenye. Yes. Oba mutyenye temulina mpisa. Can we registrate nga buli kimu mukirigistrating? Kakati when you analyze this, it was intended for Bujingo.
Okay.
Nti ekyo politically. If this man in education was not an idiot, yali tegedde n'agamba mu Uganda temuliimu theological colleges nyingi. The seminaries are for Catholic priests. The theological colleges are for the Anglican Church. Where these pastors who are persuasive, a man like Bujingo has admitted, have limited knowledge on religion. Where has he gone? To see the pastor and Kayuwa. How do you know, you idiot in education, whether Kayuwa's university is an affiliate of a powerful university in America? But you were deceived. Kanfuba ekisajja kino benebukedde alimekuddamu kubikola marisi kati okitegedde. A serious person in education will say, hey, why are they going to this over university of what is? They are looking for knowledge. They are yearning for knowledge. Now, because you are not talking about the quality, you are talking about being licensed. Do you think that licensed universities also perform very well?
Very well.
As I give you an example, that my mother is not a Wempeta. Wempeta did not produce intelligent people. My mother is a convert from Islam. Are we talking about licensing, the quality of education, over their search for knowledge? This idiot in education touch mind. Then you move to another story. When you move to another story, me, I don't yet take Enanga seriously. Why? Enanga is a drama actor. I've never seen Enanga as a serious man. He must forgive me because of my perception. Yes. Kati kankubuulire. Abaana babadde mu bus alegitele. Ne bakola bye baakoze alegitele. Naye bucket red paper ekolagana n'Enanga. I would be surprised if Enanga, a drama actor, has not gone where there is a drama. How would you handle education? Because if these students had a chance of going back to their school, it's a mixed school, to do what they are supposed to, they would have done. How did they do it in the bus? Chikutegeza, there is a high discipline at the school.
At the school.
Is it yochitufu? Enanga drama actor. Bamuwadde omudali omulalu ne bamusiba essanja. A madman ne bamusiba essanja. You must evaluate what the image of those students.
Yes.
Waliwo abatabadde na mu bus. Maybe this was a debating group. But now, yes, two. Okubikolera mu bus oba baabikoze. Kyabadde ki? Nti kusoma tebasobola
bikolerayo.
Highly disciplined. Omutwe gw'Enanga ogwo tebigendamu. Omutwe gw'Enanga talina evaluation. Talina evaluation y'Enanga. Siri babakunyiza. Bagenze ne babakunyiza. Obutasoma obwabukedde. Tulina ekintu bakiyita porters box mu mawulire. Accountants teacher by balance. I'm writing this story. What the impact abazadde kati
balina ku baana baabwe.
Era kusajja kwabukeddeko. Alla kyabadde akabalayi mu kyenyi. Kakuba essomero lya St. Lawrence.
Do you think abazadde bakyalina obwesigwa mu ssomero eryo?
Abasajja ako lwabo gundi yakola awo Kabushenga. Yagenda nabba ettaka Enanziga. Nazimbako ebizimbe nti akole university ng'alina kumala kutta ya St. Lawrence. Era akasajja kakulumye kakuba omusajja eyafuna accident bw'abaana bamwe bambangako abadde akozesa abaana badduke stigima
abazadde bakyawe ekundi eyo.
St. Lawrence ffe kyovula bakasajja gwe totujejembera mwe mwembi mulina okubonaabona nesesebowa neziribaggwa ne Nankinga mugenda kubonaabona because we are using the same method of marriage. Nti this would have been handled by the school and the parents.
And the parents, yes, kituufu.
Not Enanga to deploy policemen. Because in Kenya, there was a strike. Abaana balezi forced their way mu bitanda by'abawala. What the Bawalas did to accept rape, set and paid, wafa abaana 10. Is it what we are seeing?
No.
Enanga. To put that effort to go to the school, why doesn't the police tell us who is banning schools?
Schools.
If you have brains, Enanga, if you have which one takes your attention,
Banning of schools or
banning of, you don't have a single arsonist yenanga. The police namasiro, you don't have a single arsonist, but you are destroying the image of the students. Where will they go Midland? Not even Midland. Who can take a woman away?
And that's what it is.
Inanga dollar. I'm telling you.
Okay.
You see, me, if you want me to fight you, fight me because I'm a victim of malice. When we study in psychology, people's perceptions about issues, tukubuulira bakagulandi y'omusajja oyo eriki. Ne tukubuulira peer influence, batambula nabo beebana. Ne tukubuulira nti because I'm a victim of malice, I come up nga temumaze kundaba. Kakati ekyokusa. Nti mukakaniza agambye that 10 billion that was paid by land was illegal, and now Nabako head and design.
Nabako Anule. How about the Minister
and
of
others?
Finance?
Now that we have known that it was an illegal payment, and now
they should resign.
Yes, Mukakaniza has made a statement that must be conclusive, and now
Tamale, Minister of Finance atugaba talina gyalaga tetukisenyangako is not going anywhere.
You disqualify yourself. Ti omukazi omulema yenkya gwe babadde babonyabonya abadde ababuuza namuli ali nabako balinga omutetemu omusibe Gomez tukiyita preemptive sackings, preemptive arrests. Once they know you have evidence, they remove you earlier. They do away with you. Nebakozesa obusajja buno. Ate mu media mukitegeere. Media eyo ekubako giwe ssente. Kati obwaledi paper bwino kugenda nga bwagenze mu Midland. Waliwo akakubye ekifaananyi mitwe mitwe. Waliwo wano muvuka nga bamuyita kitanda. Kitanda General Parts yali yewoze sente nyingi mu bank mu UCB using ekutesa zine gundi kiseka zine kati nezimulema okusasula n'abagamba nti mubaninge sipeeyo omukadde. That was the source of my friendship with the BMK.
Okay.
Paulo Etyanga yalina security